Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we are taking Excel 2021 in practice chapter 4 guided project 4 to 3. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your project by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, SAS, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, and many more online courses. Please reach me out for your other courses like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, SAS, writing, economics, and many more online courses. I will handle on your complete course. You can contact me easily on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I will do your complete course. I will do your all assignments, all simulation training, simulation exam, midterm exam, and final exam. You will be free from this course. Okay, let's start our project. To solve it step by step, we will go to the MC Grahill SimNet, and then the title of project is Excel 2021 in practice chapter 4 guided project 4 to 3. Basically, we will go to the SimNet website and then we will download this project. Okay, guided project 4 to 3. Okay, Clementson imaging. Okay, Clementson imaging analyze expense report from field representatives as well as patient and image data. To complete the worksheet, you format data as a table and build an advanced filter. You import a comma separated text file. Okay, now we will file needed. Clementson 4 XLS available from the start file link. Okay, we will download this file easily from your SimNet website. Okay, and the under this we will skill covered in this project is here. Format data as an Excel table. Okay, format data as an Excel table, build an advanced filter, apply conditional formatting to the filter result, sort data by multiple columns, import a comma separated text file. Okay, and then use the subtotal command, export data via clipboard, create a pivot table. Now moving on question number 2. Sorry, question number 1. Steps to complete this project. Open the Clementson 4 XLS start link, click the enable editing button. The file will be renamed automatically to include your name. Okay, basically in this question we will have to open the Clementson worksheet, Excel workbook, XLS, and then we will click on enable editing button. The file will be open. Now moving on question number 2. Question number 2 is that okay, question number 2 is that copy the paste and projected sheet, place the copy before the criteria sheet and name the copied sheet ADV filter. Okay, copy the paste and protected sheet. We will simply copy this sheet, move a copy, and then create a copy. Click on OK. This sheet will be copied. Place the copy before the criteria sheet and name the copied sheet ADV filter. Okay, place before the criteria sheet and then name the copied sheet advanced filter. Okay, ADV filter. We will rename this sheet. Right click on this and then rename as ADV filter. Okay, we will copy and paste here. Now moving on question number 3. In question number 3, create and format an Excel table. Okay, create and format an Excel table. Select cell A4 to E60 on the advanced filter sheet. Okay, we will go to the advanced filter sheet and then we will select cell A4 to E60, then click the table button and insert tab tables group. Okay, in In the create table window, verify that my table has headers is selected and click OK. Okay, first we will select cells A4 to E60 on the advanced filter sheet. We will go to the advanced filter sheet and then we'll select A4 to E60 cell. Okay, A4 to E60, then go to the table button, insert tab, go to the insert tab, click on the table, in the tables group click on table button. In the create table window, verify my table has headers is selected and then click OK. Simply click OK. Okay, table will be created. Question number 4 is that apply a table style. Click cell A5 in the table. Click cell A5 in the table. Okay, click cell A5 in the table, click more arrow, table style group and switch white table style medium 15. Okay, point A is that click cell A5, click more arrow, table tab, table design group, go to the table style, go to the medium style. Okay, go to the medium style and then apply, select white table medium style 15, select 5 medium style 15 in the table. Here is the white medium style 15. White medium style 15 is here, you can see. I will apply this style. Now question number 5, create an output range for advanced filter. Create an output range for advanced filter. Select cell A4 to E4 and copy and paste them to cell G4. Okay, we will select cell A4 to E4 on the Excel workbook. Moving on Excel workbook, we will select this cell A4 to E4. Okay, now we will copy this cell and then paste into cell G4. Okay, copy and paste into, we will simply Control plus V, Control plus C, we will copy and paste onto cell G4. Okay, Control plus V. Okay, tap extract, sorry, 1 second. Okay, this is done now. Okay, tap extract range in cell G3 and set the font to Cambria 16 point. We will click on cell G3 and then we will tap this extract range. We will go to cell G3 and then go to the formula bar. We will tap or copy and paste here extract range and then font to Cambria 16 point. We will go to the home tab in the font group, click on the font style button, apply Cambria. Okay, font to Cambria and then go to the font size 16 point font size. The next point is C, adjust column width of column G to K to show the tables label. Okay, we will set column G to K, go to the home tab in the cells group, click on the format button, click on auto fit column width. Okay, this is done now. Now the next point D is that adjust row 4 to a height of 33.7545 pixels. Okay, adjust row 4 to height. Simply select row 4, right click on this, click on row height and then we will type data in row height 33.75. Click on OK. Row height 4 will be increased. Now moving on question number 6. In question number 6, create an advanced filter. Okay, we will create an advanced filter in question number 6. Click the criteria sheet tab greater than 12. Okay, we will go to the Excel workbook, click on criteria sheet tab. Okay, And point B is that type greater than 12 over 31 over 18 in cell A3 to find record after 2018. We will go to the cell A3, go to the criteria worksheet, click on cell A3, and then we will type this date greater than 12 over 18, 31 over 18. Okay. Then okay, point C is that type MRI in cell B3. We will go to the point C is that type MRI in cell B3. We will click on cell B3 and then we will type MRI. Now type greater than 12, 31 over 19 cell A4. We will click on cell A4 and then we will type 12 over 31 over 19. Okay, less than, sorry, greater than 12 over 31 over 19. Okay. The next point is that type CT scan and cell B4. Type CT scan and cell B4. Click on cell B4 and then we will type CT scan. Okay. Point F is that click. Okay, the criteria will find record 2019 or later. MRI is record to CT scan date is 2021 later. Click cell A5 on the ADV filter sheet. We will go to the Excel workbook, click on ADV filter sheet, click on cell A5 and then click the advanced button, data tab, sort and filter group. Go to the data tab, in the sort and filter group click on advanced button. Okay, select the copy to another location radio button. Select the copy to another location button. Okay, verify that list ranges cells A4 to E60 cell absolute cell reference. If the range is incorrect, click the drag to select the range including the header row. Okay, verify the list ranges cell A4 to E60. List ranges A4 to E60. This is correct. Okay, the range is if the range is incorrect, click and drag the select range including. Click the criteria range box and select cell A2 to B4 on the criteria sheet. We will go to the click the criteria range box and then select A2 to B4. A2 to on the criteria worksheet. We will select A2 to B4. Okay. Now click the copy to box and select cells G4 to K4 on the advanced filter sheet. Okay, copy box, go to the advanced filter sheet. We will select G4 to K4. Okay, then click OK to advanced filter dialog box. We will click OK. Okay, you can see this is good now. Very good now. Please follow my video and you can done your project by watching this video. Now moving on, question number 7. Question number 7 is that sort data in the output range. Select cell G5 and click the sort button. Tab data tab, sort and filter group. Okay, we will select cell G5 and click sort button. Click on cell G5, go to the data tab, in the editing group click on sort and filter. Okay, click the sort by arrow and choose image for the first level. Okay, choose image for the first level. Verify that the sort on selection in values and the order to E to Z. Okay, order to E to Z. This is good now. Point D is that click add level and choose month as the then by selection. Add level, choose month. Okay, then by selection. Verify or select values and oldest to newest. Oldest to newest. Then click OK. Then click OK. Oldest to newest and then simply click point F is click OK. Okay, you can see I have done this question very well. I have done 7 questions so far. Now moving on question number 8. In question number 8, apply conditional formatting and borders. Select the cells with values in column I. Okay, we will go to the Excel workbook and then we will select cells with the values in column I. Simply we will select column I. Okay, we will select column I. Then click the conditional formatting button, home tab, styles group. Okay, we'll go to the home tab in the styles group, click on conditional formatting button with selected column I. Choose highlight cells rule and greater than. Conditional formatting button highlights cells rule and then greater than. Tap 750 and choose green field with dark green text. We will tap 750 and green fill with dark green text. Okay, now point E is that click OK. Click OK. Now point F is that select the extract range starting at cell G5 and apply all borders. Okay, we will click on cell, we will click this all table and we will go to the home tab in the font group, go to the border button and then apply all borders. Now press F and press control press left arrow. Okay, you can see I have done 80% of this project. For remaining question and if you want to read for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Python and many more online courses. Please reach me out for your other courses like my lab math, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, my lab Access, my lab finance, my lab economics and many more online courses. Simply reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I will handle your complete course. You will be free from this course. I will do your all assignments, project, art simulation training, art simulation exam, midterm exam and final exam. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.